The essence of the Biles Life franchise is a turnkey business. It's built on the franchise philosophy that we have perfected the way to be successful with Biles Life and with Unicity.
It doesn't matter what your background is, it doesn't matter what your education level is, it doesn't matter what previous work experience you have or don't have. If you're a person who's got heart and you're willing to work, this business is designed for your success.
I live 3 hours from the closest international airport, and yet my business is global. I do business in Taiwan. I do business all over the United States. So I enjoy traveling, but I also enjoy being at home, and it's really given me the best of both worlds.
It's a great make life better type environment that you're doing it in and you're doing it for.
Knowing that Unicity is a company that is driven by helping people, helping human beings, that makes me feel wonderful that I'm associated with this company.
There's a powerful question out there. What would you do if you knew you couldn't fail? And of course the answer is you'd go flat out. That's what I love about my Unicity Biles Life franchise. You can't fail.